Hello everyone, myself Preeti Mandal of group Laadin 192B is going to present a video presentation on the topic regulation of iron homeostasis by the mechanism of urine formation. Urine formation is a blood cleansing function. Normally about 1300 ml of blood enters the kidney. Kidney excretes the unwanted substances along with the water from the blood as urine. Normal urinary output is 1 to 1.5 liter per day. Urine formation includes three steps: glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion. Among these three filtration processes is the function of glomerular reabsorption and secretion are the function of tubular portion of nephron. Glomerular filtration is a process by which the blood is filtered while passing through the glomerular capillaries by filtration membrane. It is the first process of urinary formation. Tubular reabsorption is a process by which water and other substances are transported from the renal tubules back to the blood. When the glomerular filtrate flows through the tubular portion of nephron, both quantitative and qualitative changes occur. Large quantities of water, electrolytes, and other substances are reabsorbed by the tubular epithelial cells. Sites of reabsorption are PCT, DCT, and loop of Henle. Reabsorption of sodium. From the glomerular filtrate, 99% of sodium is reabsorbed. Two-thirds of sodium is reabsorbed in proximal convoluted tubule and remaining one-third in other segment and collecting duct. Sodium reabsorption occurs in three steps: transport from lumen of renal tubules into the tubular epithelial cells, transport from tubular cells into the interstitial fluid, and transport from the interstitial fluid to the blood. Reabsorption of water. It generally occurs in proximal and distal convoluted tubules and in collecting ducts. Reabsorption of glucose. It is completely reabsorbed in the proximal convoluted tubule. It is transported by secondary active transport mechanism. Glucose and sodium bind to a common carrier protein in the luminal membrane of the tubular epithelium and enter the cell. Reabsorption of amino acids. Amino acids are also reabsorbed completely in proximal convoluted tubule. Amino acids are actively reabsorbed by the secondary active transport mechanism along with the sodium. Reabsorption of bicarbonates. Bicarbonates is reabsorbed actively mostly in proximal tubule. It is reabsorbed in the form of carbon dioxide. Bicarbonate is mostly present as sodium bicarbonate in the filtrate. Sodium bicarbonate dissociate into sodium and bicarbonate into the tubular lumen. Tubular secretion. It is the process by which substances are transported from blood into renal tubules. It is also called tubular excretion. In addition to reabsorption from the renal tubules, some substances are also secreted into the lumen from the peritubular capillaries through the proximal tubular epithelial cells. Substances secreted in different segments of renal tubules. First, potassium is actively secreted by sodium. Potassium pump is proximal and distal convoluted tubule and collecting ducts. Ammonia is secreted in the PCT. Hydrogen ion are seisimal in the convoluted tubule. Maximum hydrogen ion secretion occur in proximal tubule. Urea is secreted in the loop of Henle. Thus, the urine is formed in nephron by the process of glomerular filtration, selective reabsorption, and tubular secretion. Thank you.